Hello everyone, welcome back to Train. My name is Ishan and I'll be your instructor for today. What if your AI assistant could outthink you, remember everything, and solve problems on its own? These aren't just possibilities, they're happening in 2025. AI is transforming every corner of our lives, and today I'm sharing 8 game-changing trends that are going to define the future. Trust me, you'll want to stay till the end. Artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's in our homes, our jobs, and even shaping the global economy. But what does 2025 have in store? Today, we're breaking down key trends that will affect industries, innovation, and even you. From groundbreaking advancements to everyday applications, let's explore the future together. So first up, autonomous AI agents. These aren't just chatbots, they're full-fledged problem solvers. Imagine an AI assistant that can plan your week, troubleshoot your computer, and even negotiate contracts, all without lifting a finger. But here's the catch. Today's agents still struggle with complex tasks. In 2025, better models will make these agents smarter and more reliable. Next is interference time compute. Ever noticed how some AI responses are instant while others take a bit longer? That's because models are learning to spend more time thinking about complex problems. In 2025, AI will be able to adjust its reasoning time to deliver smarter answers faster. It's like having a genius who's quick but takes her time when it counts. Now, let's talk size. AI models are getting massive, with trillions of parameters. These digital brains are unlocking breakthroughs in healthcare, science, and more. By 2025, we could see models upwards of 50 trillion parameters. That's like stacking brains on top of brains. But not all AI needs to be huge. Compact models with just a few billion parameters are making it possible to run advanced AI on your phone or laptop. Imagine having a personal AI that's both powerful and portable. No giant data centers needed. AI isn't just about personal assistants. In businesses, we'll see smarter customer service bots, IT systems that optimize themselves, and cybersecurity tools that adapt in real time. It's like giving every company a team of tireless, hyper-intelligent problem solvers. Ever wish someone would actually remember what you told them? AI in 2025 is heading toward near infinite memory. Chatbots and systems will recall every interaction they've had with you. While it's great for personal experiences, let's hope they don't hold grudges. Here's a fascinating one. Human and AI teamwork. Studies show that AI sometimes outperforms humans, even experts. But in 2025, we'll see better integration where professionals and AI combine forces seamlessly. No need to be an AI expert to benefit from its power. Finally, I'm turning the mic to you. What do you think is the most important AI trend in 2025? Leave your predictions in the comments and let's build the future together. From autonomous agents to near infinite memory, 2025 is shaping up to be a huge year for AI. If you're excited about these trends and want to stay ahead of the curve, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. See you next time.